guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today in my life, I'm being cute. Yes, I took down my hair, it's dirty. I will be washing this dirty hair. I took it out today. Ooh, it ain't stiff. Ooh. Yeah, so it's pretty darn dirty. I've had it braided for like some weeks, like 3 weeks maybe. Yeah, underneath my wig. So I'm taking it down. I'm going to put in a hair mask and let that deep condition for a while. I'll also work out with the hair mask in so it gets extra heat in there. And then, here you guys, shedding. You want to see this? Shedding. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to do. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, hey guys. So I just got done washing. This is what I use. How do you do this straight? Yep, this is what I use. It's my shampoo. Still very, very wet. And now I'm about to put in the hair mask. I didn't put in my conditioner because the hair mask is like conditioning. So I'm about to put that in and we'll see where we go from there. Hair mask I've used the past, the last time I did it. It's like clay. It actually feels like clay too. It's pretty cool. I'm about to rub it into my head. So I just put the mask in. I used the whole thing. Now I'm going to comb it through and then put on a shower cap. Fully combed out with the mask in. Let me do this. Okay, about to put on the shower cap, and this is the shedding. It's quite a lot. My hair is kind of tangly too. It's really tangled up, but see you in a couple hours. Update. I just took off my shower cap. And it's been some hours. It's been like, well, it's 4 p.m. right now. I probably washed it and did stuff around 12 or 1, so maybe like 3 hours or something. Yeah, so now I will be getting in the shower and washing it all out. Feels very soft. It's really great. My hair is very warm right now. I'll take a comb to it in a second. Whoa, I'm like an old lady. I'm like somebody's grandpa. This is my comb. I'll use this now. I can't really see. Post rinse. Yep. Here it is. This one I already did this too, and this is what happened to it. That easy. Here we go. Now I'm going to put in my leave-in conditioner, the best. And then I'm gonna do the braids, and I usually put oil in after. Okay, update guys. So here I am. Call me ASAP Tamby. I'm gonna leave these in here for a day or two, probably just a day, and then blow dry it or something, or just blow dry it tomorrow morning so I can wear it. Since I'm gonna have to get my hair done on Monday, I want to at least enjoy it for a couple of days, so I'll probably blow dry it to make sure it dries. Sorry for the angle, my phone is on the charger. Buenos dias. Okay, they definitely look a little wild, but here they are. During night, they kind of feel pretty dry actually, but I'm gonna use the blow dryer just, oh yeah, because in the back, for sure not dry. So I'm gonna use the blow dryer to dry it before I undo it. So I've already started, but I'm going on high setting on hot. And basically, that's what I'm doing. I'm just stretching it. Difference. If I stretch, look at the difference. This one versus this one. Yeah, I'm gonna keep going. Okay, this is post blow dry, and they are more stretched than they were before I blow dried it. My hair feels dry, so I'm gonna start taking it down. And usually I do put oil in my hair, but I'm going to get my hair braided on Monday morning. And I don't want to put too much oil in my hair because I put oil in it yesterday right after I got done putting the braids in. I just put it in my scalp and rubbed it on the braids. So I feel like it's pretty oiled enough. I'm just going to take them down. And we'll see how this goes. Okay, so I've taken them all out. Now it is time to separate. There's one in the back. Ooh, sheesh. Yeah, because I look a mess right now, don't it? Hot mess. So I'm about to separate. Try to do it gently. Let's see if I can keep you guys going here. It definitely feels so moisturized from that castor oil I put in yesterday. And my leave-in conditioner. I don't know. I'm not the best with separation. Okay, so I've separated a lot. It's become a lot frizzier. Definitely not gonna wear it like this. So now I'm gonna style it and figure out how I'm gonna wear it today. Shake it, shake it, shake it out. Oh, kind of a headache. Okay. Finished product. I did more separation here in the front for the bangs. Bangs are banging, bangs are banging. And then, you know, I did more in the bag. I combed it a little bit, you know, at the roots. I don't have my pick, so I couldn't do as much as I would have wanted to. But I used this handy dandy little boy. I love this one. I would put gel on my edges, but I'm not going to because I don't feel like it. And I just don't want to have added product before I have to try to rewash my hair before Monday, and I'm not trying to rewash it. So yeah, this is good. This is great. This is me. join me on the next adventure. This is my first like braid out. It kind of just seems similar to style. Yeah, pretty much. But I like this little style though. I just put bobby pins right here in the front, just two, one here, and pushed it back a little. Got the little bang going, and this is it.